Welcome to my channel. GrowTube, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and click the bell icon.
The camera zooms in on a giant alphabet book sitting on a colorful shelf. Suddenly, the book wiggles, shakes, and pops open with a magical glow. The letters inside begin stretching, yawning, and waving. Time to wake up, time to play. Let's go explore. Hooray, hooray!
Oh, what a wonderful morning. I feel like going on an adventure today.
Me too. Let's go see the city and find some new words. Look at those colorful cars, candy shops, and cute cats.
Oh, look at that. Red, yellow, green. It's like a game.
Wait, look over there. Brr, it's so cold. I don't have any firewood to keep me warm. We have to help him.
But how? We're just letters.
That's it. We can form a word to solve the problem. A plus X plus E, we make the word AXE.
The old man picks it up and uses it to cut some wood.
The old man picks it up and uses it to cut some wood. Oh, thank you, magical letters. Now I can stay warm.
As they walk further, they see a small boy crying outside a toy shop.
I lost my pet ant. He's my best friend.
Time for another word.
Miss N and Mr. T rush over.
A plus N plus T, we make the word ant.
A tiny ant appears, marching happily toward the boy.
You found my ant. Thank you, letters.
The alphabets are excited and decide to celebrate with a parade. Thanks for watching my channel GrowTube. Don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more, and click the bell icon.